Welcome back, guys, to another 8 p.m. video. So I was scrolling on Facebook Marketplace and I found this killer deal on Facebook
On a
for
Corvette.
yeah, a used Corvette for only 82,000. And my friend just came over because he said that his internet just didn't work. Wow, he's too lazy to buy a booster, and I have like three of them in my house. So
I have 5 of them in my house. I just don't want to. I'm too lazy.
yeah, he's too lazy. He doesn't want to use the internet. He wants to use my crappy TV. Anyways,
Hey, if you're watching Tom and Jerry,
yep. I'm not a fan of this show, but let's go pick up that Corvette. Leave the TV. Leave the TV. You've been watching TV for like 3 hours now.
okay.
Alright, so wanna I kind of want to grab my truck for this job, but yours is more of a show truck. Crazy. It kind of hurts my soul of seeing your truck dirty. No,
Dirty.
I mean it's so pretty like that, and it's not a very beautiful day, so the truck might get muddy. I mean, it's
Who
what.
cares?
Yeah, it's built for that.
Hop in.
Hey, yo, you got the radio?
Radio?
Yeah, you got the radio? Or it's broken?
Yeah, that's radio.
Alright, guys, so we're heading to the trailer shop. If only the Corvette's there, because this. Whoa, 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 okay. Oh! Oh, you just.
Okay, there's a rock in the road. Okay? There's a rock.
There was a pothole?
No, there's a rock.
A rock. How big?
There's medium. And then there's a pothole in front of it.
Yeah. This is why I didn't take my truck. But, boy, is that the car? Oh, look. Park yourself. Oh my god, does it look nice? It matches me. Look, it matches me. It matches my skin color.
If I got a purple one, that would be so easy.
Yeah, but you're too lazy to buy one.
Yeah, I'm too lazy.
Guys, he's trying to save.
At least I don't do straw on Facebook.
No, what? Guys, he's trying to save up for a camper. Like that huge premium camper.
Yeah. But the kitchen pop out.
Yeah, that one's awesome though. I'm trying to save up too. But when I found a killer deal, I just can't say no to it. So, yeah, only 82,000 were used.
Oh, they left the keys on the floor.
We could steal it, but no, we gotta pay. But, alright, let's go pay. Hi, sir. Hi, sir. You're here for the Corvette? Yeah, the orange one, actually. Alright, it's 80,000 USD. 82,000 USD. Alright, here you go. Oh, I'm actually Canadian. Oh, that'll be 90,000 Canadian. Alright, here you go. Yeah, your car's all yours. Yes?
I need a bumper trailer.
A bumper trailer? Oh yeah. It'll be. You know what? We got a discount. I'm feeling good today, so it'll only be 10K.
10K? Got it. Thank you, sir.
Right. You're good to go. You guys are good to go.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, thank you.
I think they already have it ready out there. Look at that.
Yeah, man, it's very wide. It's very clear. Let's go check it out. Oh, it's that trailer that I don't like. It's that bumper pull. My God, my eyes! This is like the trailer that I don't like.
Wait,
You got?
ask for refund.
Yeah, it's too clear.
Okay.
Plus, I don't have wood. I don't have wood. You know, there's the wood to elevate the car. Yeah, I don't have wood.
Yo, sir, can I get a refund?
Yes, sir. Yes. Here you go. Your
I
10K
want
back.
that,
The other one's actually cheaper. It's $8,000.
oh, the longer one?
The bumper pull. Yeah, it's actually cheaper.
Okay.
That's probably a little too long.
Okay, I think I know what to get. I think I know what to get.
Or if you prefer, we got the gooseneck. Here you go, another refund 8K. The gooseneck's actually 9K. Oh. Oh, that one's actually good.
Yeah, it's good.
Plus, it protects the Corvette from the rain. Alright. Hopefully, the bumper doesn't scrape. Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
Let's get in. Ooh. Touch screen. And it's manual. It's dead empty today. The parking lot's dead empty. Usually there's a bunch of semis and trucks. I think we have a whoa, I think we have a problem. I think the front bumper will scrape.
Yeah. Since this is mine now, I can customize it, right?
I mean, let's just haul the Corvette, and then we could customize it. Tell me if the bumper scrapes.
I just noticed something, by the way. Oh yeah, that was a scrape. That was a scrape.
Ooh! Oh, that hurts my soul.
Oh my god.
Oh, I gotta see the damages. Oh! You gotta come see this. The front bumper's gone.
No. Oh my.
It's at least the bottom part. It's not. It's just the bottom part. I mean, it's used. So. What was I expecting?
You moved the trailer.
You moved the trailer. You were too heavy.
I wasn't even on it.
Yeah, right. Guys, let me know in the comments if he's heavier than me. He's definitely heavier.
Oh my god. Oh!
Does it scrape? Oh, it scrapes.
That's you. That's so you.
Nah, he's heavier, guys. Right, that's a good parking space. Right, let me check if it's okay back there. Right, let me close the light for you.
Yeah, there's a light.
Let me close them for you.
Oh, it's so pouring. It's
Pouring out here.
Okay, it's pouring. Oh yeah, let's go.
Like, you can put on the video if you want. I don't really care what you use.
Yeah, it's broken, guys. His radio is broken. He's too lazy to fix it. Oh, be careful.
Hopefully I don't hit that wall.
Yeah. You wouldn't do
There
that.
it is.
You wouldn't do that. Just
I don't know.
you definitely. Oh.
What happened in that?
I will go check. Okay, you're gonna have to come see this.
Okay.
The trailer's kind of like lifted by a pole. Take a look.
Oh my.
Oh. Can we like just around pull the trailer? Pull the trailer.
Slash on his tires. Tires pop. Tires
That's
popped.
nah, it's good. It's good. Do I drive or you drive?
I'm driving. I can drive. Right?
Oh, you might want to see this. You have a scratch on your door. On the door I'm sitting on.
Yeah, I don't really care. This is my new truck.
Oh, okay.
Hold on, let me put on the music.
It's broken. Your radio's broken.
Wireless.
You just passed the house.
Wait, what?
Guys, you just passed the house. Oh! The house was back there. Guys, he was too concentrated on the music.
To see the woman like that, a real intimate. She said she didn't have no man. That should be good at you.
Alright. Oh. Alright guys, let's unload her.
Good.
Oh! Oh, the front bumper. It hurts my soul. The front bumper is scraping.
My
Oh.
legs. My legs.
Oh shoot.
Now wait. Oh no, brand new scratch Corvette.
Yep. It's not brand new though. It's like used. Go. Let's go inside.
Nah, watch this.
It's pouring. Well guys, we're gonna end the video there with a backflip from 00E. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe if you want. I'll see you guys in the next one. Quick. Let's go inside. Oh.
I'm gonna keep watching Tom and Jerry.
Alright. Oh my god, guys. Well, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.